Hello, welcome to Techdive. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rode Video Micro. It's a compact on-camera microphone, and I'm really excited to give it a try. We're also going to do a brief review of it. Not an in-depth review, but just kind of a little show of what the audio quality sounds like in a normal, controlled environment. So you can kind of have an idea of what to expect. So let's get in it. There we go. All right. So it comes with the do not eat stuff. This is the windscreen. Let's see if how it comes off there. This little notch here makes it difficult for it to come off. It's about the size I thought it was going to be. It's got the nice little Rode logo right there, and standard 1/8 inch jack, which makes it super handy nowadays because everything uses an 1/8 inch jack. This is a very impressive looking windscreen. It'll be exciting to see how well it works. Sometimes people call this a dead cat. So if I say dead cat accidentally, I'm sorry, I'm talking about this. So let's take that off for now. Let's see what other goodies it comes with. This is the shock mount. It's pretty rigid for a shock mount, but it will definitely do the job of reducing the shock. And it comes with the shoe horn for your camera as well, and it'll also screw to a stand. I think it'll screw to one of my light stands, so we'll see about that too. It comes with a very short cable, but plenty of room if where we're going is just from the camera to the camera. So if you need anything else, you should be able to supply that cable yourself. It's also got a nice little instruction manual. In case you didn't know, see how it snaps in here. Pretty easily. Grips on really nicely. This unscrews right here. Let's see why. Ooh, okay. So you can actually do repairs on it. Don't yank right there if you take it apart. That could very easily break. But I like that you can get to it because if it does start getting fuzzy, I'll be able to solder it back together. Hello, I got the Rode mic plugged into my camera and I got the audio turned to about half volume for my camera. So that way I'm not just recording the mic at full blast, and that gets my voice right around the 2/3 peak that you're looking for when you're doing voice audio. Now, I have to take the headphones off because I'm hearing my voice echo and it's difficult to think. But as I'm recording this, it does sound pretty full body volume. I'm recording it a bit louder than I would typically record it because I usually under record it and bring it up in post to lower the room noise, but I'm wondering how much we're going to have to do it with this mic. This mic is, I'm liking the full body of volume and sound, and it does sound pretty close to me despite the fact that it is about 4 feet away from me right now. This is about the average distance which I'll be filming, but I will move another foot back, and this is me from a foot back talking at the same volume. This is a rough mic test. We're not doing anything too crazy. I'm going to move to about a 30-degree angle. This is me standing slightly at a 30-degree angle from it. This is me at a 45-degree angle, also about 4 feet from the microphone. And this is me talking directly to the side of the microphone. So that, I was about 2 feet away talking directly from the side. That should give you a rough idea of what to expect from this microphone. This is not an in-depth review of it. I will hit the shock mount right at the bottom, and we shall see how that goes. Let me. It is rocking a bit more than normal because I'm not able to use the shoe on it because I have a Sony camera, and Sony cameras have a different shoe, so I will be ordering a shoe adapter. It does have a screw hole on the bottom of it. That hole is too big for my light stands, and it's too big for my extra tripod, which is what I thought I was going to use on it. So that's an interesting thing to note as well, but I am able to kind of tape it around the smaller screw hole on my light stand right next to my camera, which is what it's doing now. So I think it's going to work out pretty great as a mic for me, especially when I get the rest of the shoe. Thank you so much for watching this review. It's been a mild review, mostly an unboxing of the Rode microphone. I hope this was helpful to you. Like if this video helped you out. Subscribe if you're looking for more. And if you're thinking about changing editors, think about Vegas Creative Software. It's one of the cheapest ways to get to GPU acceleration with movie studios, and any software you buy through our affiliates links helps us out a ton. You can also buy the Rode mic through our affiliates link if that is something you're looking for. That helps us out. Thanks for watching. We got more reviews coming soon.